What is Arbitrum 1 and what is Arbitrum Nova, and what is the difference between them? The first thing you should know is that both of them are layer 2 scaling solutions on Ethereum with the highest number of transactions. Arbitrum 1 was the first to go live in August of 2021. It uses optimistic rollup to scale transactions on Ethereum blockchain. Optimistic rollups work by batching together multiple transactions off-chain and submitting them to Ethereum as a single transaction. This allows it to process transactions much faster and cheaply than if it were processed directly on Ethereum. Arbitrum Nova came as an improvement to Arbitrum 1. It went live in August of 2022. It shares the same code base as Arbitrum 1, but it uses a different scaling solution called AnyTrust. AnyTrust is a more scalable solution than optimistic rollup, which makes Arbitrum Nova faster, cheaper, and more scalable than Arbitrum 1. So, how does Arbitrum 1 and Arbitrum Nova differ? Let's start with security and decentralization. Arbitrum 1 is more secured and decentralized than Arbitrum Nova. This is because all off-chain transactions on Arbitrum 1 are later posted on the Ethereum blockchain. This makes it more transparent and resistant to attack. Arbitrum Nova, on the other hand, only stores transaction signatures on the Ethereum blockchain. This makes it less secure and decentralized, but it also makes it faster and cheaper. For transaction throughput and fees, Arbitrum Nova has a higher transaction throughput and lower fees than Arbitrum 1. This is because AnyTrust is a more scalable solution than optimistic rollup. Arbitrum Nova can process up to 500 transactions per second, while Arbitrum 1 can only process up to 100 transactions per second. Arbitrum Nova fees are also much lower than Arbitrum 1 fees. So, which of them is better? It depends on what you're looking for. If you want the most secured and decentralized layer 2 solution, then Arbitrum 1 is a better choice. If you're looking for the fastest and the cheapest layer 2 solution, then Arbitrum Nova is the better choice. The target audience for Arbitrum 1 is generally general purpose users, while that for Arbitrum Nova is gaming and social applications. Some popular projects on Arbitrum 1 include AFIBIE, 1H, Uniswap, SushiSwap, Curve, Synthetics, and Alchemy Pay. And some popular projects on Arbitrum Nova include Babylon NFT Marketplace, Frankworld, Layer 0 Bridge, Legend of Eros, and MetaFabs. And this is where we come to the end of this video. If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies profitably and learn more about crypto and DeFi, then create a Bybit account and join my group for more. All the links are in the description. I'll see you there and in the next video.